Ever wondered why Python is taking over the programming world? Why people are obsessed with it, calling it the Swiss Army knife of coding? Well, let me tell you, Python isn't just popular, it's powerful, flexible, and yes, fun. In this video, we are diving deep into the features that make Python such a game changer in programming. Stick around because by the end you will see why Python is the language every coder from beginners to AI engineers should know. But wait, is Python named after the snake? Or is it some kind of inside joke for coding geniuses? Well, it's actually neither. As I have told in the previous video, Python is named after Monty Python's Flying Circus, a British comedy series. Yep, Python's fun from the name itself. Let's start with the feature that puts Python in a league of its own: simplicity. Imagine this: you are a beginner, you open a coding book, and the language looks like hieroglyphics. Now Python, it's like the hello world of coding languages. Easy to read, easy to write. Unlike some languages where you need 10 lines just to print your name, with Python, it's just one line. If you are thinking, I am new to programming, will this be too complicated? Python is designed to solve just that. It was created with a clear purpose: to make programming more accessible. You don't have to worry about missing semicolon or formatting things perfectly. Which brings us to Python's high readability. Think of it as the friendly onboarding buddy to the programming world. But that's not all. Python has a trick up its sleeves that makes simplicity to another level. Stay tuned. Alright, now let's talk about what happens once you are beyond the basics. Imagine you are building something complex, like a recommendation engine for movies. Sounds tough, right? Normally it would be, until you realize Python is ready to use libraries like pandas, numpy, and scikit-learn. These are specialized tools that give you a head start in data analysis, machine learning, and beyond. A quick question: how many of you actually know what a library is? No, not the place with books. In Python, libraries are pre-written code modules that save you a ton of time and effort. It's like having a magic spell book you can pull solutions from, perfect for those who want results fast. And we haven't even gotten to the frameworks yet. Trust me, if you think libraries are cool, frameworks like Django and Flask will blow your mind. Python's next big feature: portability. Ever built something cool and wished you could run it on any device? With Python, you can. Write it once and it runs everywhere: Windows, Mac, Linux, you name it. If you have struggled with compatibility issues before, Python solves this problem by being extremely portable. You don't need to learn different languages or rewrite code for different platforms. Python's versatility has turned it into the universal language of technology, used in everything from web development to machine learning to AI. Raise your hand if you have ever written something on your computer only to find out it doesn't work on someone else's. Annoying, right? Well, not with Python. Now imagine you are working on a project and you hit a roadblock. You are stuck. It's late at night and you just need a little help. This is where the Python community shines. With millions of active users, there's always someone out there who's been in your shoes and found a solution. You are not coding alone. Think of the Python community as your global team of mentors ready to help you succeed. Stack Overflow, GitHub, Python users are active everywhere, and trust me, their passion for Python shows. And here's a little secret: because of Python's popularity, you are more likely to land a job with Python on your resume than almost any other language. But more on that soon. Now, let's look at Python's best feature. It's future proof. AI, machine learning, data science, these fields aren't going anywhere, and Python is at the heart of them all. Google, Netflix, NASA, and top tech companies rely on Python for their biggest projects. Think of it like this: you are investing time in a skill that's only going to get more valuable. Python continues to grow, evolve, and adapt, making it the top choice for emerging technologies. So, if you are still on the fence about Python, here's my advice: don't wait. Every day you are not learning Python, you are missing out on a massive opportunity. So, there you have it, the features that make Python such a powerhouse in the programming world: easy to learn, packed with libraries, versatile, backed by an incredible community, and future ready. Want to know what you can actually build with Python? Our future videos will dive into some of the most exciting projects you can create. Don't miss it. Your journey into the world of Python is just getting started. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning.